So, good day, sir. Thank you so much for lending your time and accepting this face-to-face interview. So let's start by introducing yourself.
Okay, so I'm Mark. Okay, I am a public school teacher. I'm teaching special program the arts in one of a premier national high school in the province of Iloilo. Yeah, that's I guess I could the details that I could share.
So how long have you been teaching SPA, sir?
I've been teaching SPA since I graduated in a university in the city. So I've been teaching them for 8 years already. So yeah.
Now next, what are the usual genres that you teach your students, sir?
I mostly focused on cultural performances. So in our school, I'm the one who actually come up with a show that will showcase their talent in a cultural way. Like like for example during the festival of our town, so I usually train kids or my students to participate. Yeah, I am the kind of person who's really very open for an open discussion, particularly for the improvement of my craft. So in that case, I would really openly, I will be respectfully being open to both critics, because I know that they're coming from an intention of like trying to improve our performance. And also, this is also one way for me to learn, because as a person, I do believe that learning doesn't stop and we learn new things from other people. So, by listening to them, I could be able to gain knowledge and as well as ideas that I could also integrate to my craft or to my style, and therefore I could be able to come up with much creative outputs.